Come on, guys. So today's the big day. Today is our big parcel showing up. I'm actually gonna go pick it up. It showed up yesterday, but no one was home. So I'm hopping in the truck. I'm heading out. I'm gonna load it up. I'll get a video of everything that's going on. It's some big parts. It's some stuff that I'm really excited about, and it's gonna make the Neon look absolutely amazing for Speed Sport this year. So bear with me. We'll get you guys some video, and we'll show you guys what I got. Hey everyone. So yeah, we got parts on the back of the truck. Here's what we got. 2 boxes. So I'm gonna take them home, get them unpackaged, see what they look like, make sure everything's good, and we'll show you guys the unboxing. Box 1. Box 2. That's it. Okay guys, so these boxes, they're from Modern Performance in Texas. I've been waiting for these for, geez, they were fast, about 2 weeks, which isn't that bad considering it took us a week to figure out the whole shipping side of things. So anyways, we're gonna unbox them, show you what we got. So there are a couple of things of mics in here that I ordered for them. So we got an antenna because ours is broke. That's gonna go there. Perfect. We've got what this is. Oh, these are hinges. I'm guessing for the hood straps that we have, so we'll have to keep looking into that. Okay, same thing. So yeah, those are the hood hinges for Mike and mine. Perfect. So Mike wanted chrome, I wanted black, so we got our hood hinges. Perfect. So there's the struts for them. Yeah, so we'll put them back in there. Back in there. There's part 1 of the big box. So these are a couple of radiator caps, one for Mike's, one for mine. They're high pressure. I believe they're good for 18 PSI. This here is, I don't know. I gotta do this quick. My wife's getting ready to go for work. Oh, perfect. That's the SRT emblem badge for the front nose piece here. I didn't end up getting mine with the car, so this is awesome. And the bolts and hardware to put it in. That's wicked. Now we're starting to get into the big stuff. It's out. Part 1 is out. So, wow, this is awesome. So we've got the PVO trunk from Modern Performance. I think that's going to absolutely look amazing on it. It's crazy light. Wow. I'm pumped. Sorry guys, I'll bring you guys around. So yeah, that's the new trunk. Nice carbon fiber. It's got the I believe I'm saying it right, PVO wing in it. I'm super excited to throw that on there. The only thing I'm noticing, it doesn't have the keyhole. So we might just be deleting the keyhole. Looks like it's been cut out for it though in the back. I don't know. Anyways, we'll keep unboxing. Now this is the cool part. This is going to be what separates my neon from Mike's neon in a way. If I can get it open. I officially need a bigger garage. So if you guys haven't guessed yet, it is a hood. Modern Performance, if you guys haven't dealt with them yet, and you guys have a Neon or a whole bunch of stuff in it, SRT4 caliber, PTGC, they specialize mostly in, from what I understand, Dodge. So if you're looking for something, these guys are the ones to deal with. I've bugged them for a week and a half, or a week I guess, about how we're going to get this shipped up here, and how to get a broker, and they were awesome. They were absolutely amazing with me. I can't thank them enough. And how they packaged everything was amazing. I think I'm just getting the door knocked on because I have to let Audrey in the driveway. So, guys, this here's the hood. It's kind of hard to see. I'm sorry for the bad lighting. You would think as an electrician that I would have better lighting, but we've got the hood vents, everything's fully functional. I'm super excited about this. So anyways guys, that's the big addition to the Neon for this what I was telling you guys about in the last video. I hope you guys like this. Please like, subscribe, share this with your friends, family, and we'll catch you guys on the next one once we start putting some of this back together. Thanks. Have a good one.